In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guest posts on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you've been looking to enhance your blog with guest contributions or manage content more efficiently, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in posting and managing guest content seamlessly. Let's get started by navigating to your WordPress dashboard on your website. This is your main control center where all the magic happens. Once you're at the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is find the Posts section. Look on the left-hand side of your screen, and you should see the Posts option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your existing posts are listed, including any drafts and published content. Upon entering the Posts section, you'll notice there's an option to view guest posts, typically labeled as pending posts. These are posts submitted by guest authors that haven't yet been published. This section is crucial because it allows you to approve and manage guest content before it goes live. Look for the Pending tab under your Posts section and click on it. This will filter out any posts that are awaiting approval, making it easier to focus on guest submissions. Once you're in the Pending section, you should see a list of posts that need your attention. These are the guest posts submitted for review. To begin reviewing, simply click on the particular guest post you're interested in. This action will open up the post so you can read through the content thoroughly. Understanding the content is key, so take your time to ensure that it aligns with your blog's theme and quality standards. Make sure to check the formatting, grammar, and overall quality of the article. If everything looks good and you're ready for it to be part of your site, proceed to the publishing step. Now let's move to the final part of this process, publishing the post. After you've thoroughly reviewed the guest post and are satisfied with it, you'll see an option to publish the post. Clicking on this will make the content live for all your readers to see. Before finalizing, you might want to add tags, categories, or any custom settings that fit your site's structure and enhance your visitors' experience. And just like that, you've successfully added a guest post to your WordPress blog. This process not only helps in diversifying your content, but also engages different audiences and brings fresh perspectives to your platform. Thank you for following along with this WordPress tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy blogging, and see you in the next video.